In today's online advertising game, quality data is everything. Feeding your campaigns with valuable data is one of our most crucial tasks. So that's why you can't afford to miss what we're about to share. Hi, I'm Matthijs from eCom-Ads, and today we're diving deep into how to automatically update your client lists in Google Ads. Alright, now why is this important? Now with this quality data point, you can find new customers more effectively. Why? Because Google gets a clearer picture of what your ideal audience looks like, and it allows you to reach people who are more likely to be interested in your product or services. Now before we needed to manually export and import this data, but there is a way to automate this, and it will make sure that we are always up to date. Let me show you how. Alright, so we're in an inactive Clavio account where I can show you what you need to do. But what you first need to do is you need to make sure you are a user, so you're added as a user in the Google Ads account that you want to connect with Clavio. So if you're a manager or you're connected through a manager account, this will not work. You will need to be connected as a user, as a separate user in the Google Ads account. Okay, so if that is sorted, you can click here. And when you click here, you click on integrations. And when Google Ads is not connected yet, which mostly is the case if you are not using this, you can use add integration. And we can search for Google and we can click on Google Ads. And now we're going to connect to Google. So when you click this button, you're going to connect to the Google account that you are added as a user in the Google Ads account that you want to connect with. So let's say you have like tech@eCom-Ads.com, which is what we use for all our tooling. We are added as a user using the Google account tech@eCom-Ads.com. Then we are going to connect tech@eCom-Ads.com in here. So let's do that as a step one. Alright, so we're connected. This is another account that I'm using now to show you the rest of the steps that we need to take. So when the Google account is connected, the next step that you need to do, it's pretty straightforward, is you need to connect your Clavio list or segment to your Google audience. So again, it's important that you have already set up an audience in Google Ads using the customer list option. So you go to Google Ads and you can upload like a small customer list. Or like your current customer list into Google. And then what we do is when we add a connection, you need to select the list or the segment from Clavio, and you need to select the audience that you want to update. Now be aware, it will only update from the point of the connection, so it will not auto sync all the previous data. So you need to upload at least one time manually every customer list that you have. And then when this connection is set, it will from that point on auto update all of your audiences. And what we like to do, and I advise you to also do that, is we use at least two customer lists. So one is we do the people who placed at least one order all time. And we also like to do the repeat buyers. What we want to do with that is obviously we have the people who at least purchased one time for us, but we also have the repeat buyers, which are even more valuable people. So if this audience pool gets big enough, we can actually use it in Google to find even more valuable audiences for us. So that's basically all you need to do. So make sure you're connected with the right Google account and add it as a user into Google. Then select the correct list, create an audience in Google Ads, upload all your previous data, and then make the right connection with your Clavio list or your Clavio segment, and then your data will always be up to date. Alright, and that's how you set up your automation so you always have an up-to-date customer list. So I really advise you to set this up and start using it. So I hope this video brought you any value. If it did, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, or drop a comment in the link. See you on the next one.